Smokercraft is the largest family-owned boat manufacturer in the United States. We build pontoons, aluminum boats, and fiberglass boats, and we employ approximately 930 people and on approximately 1 million square feet under roof, including our new building.
Roughly 3 years ago, we started kicking around the idea of centralizing our warehousing. So my partner and I, Ron Powell, we started sketching out some things that might be appropriate for a project of that size. Once we had things styled in, we were given the approval to get some quotes. We contacted several builders, with our Yoder being one of them. They came in with a full complement of their people, gave us a presentation.
Which was outstanding. I mean, every question we asked, we had an answer right then and there on the spot. I came out of that interview, made the comment to Todd that they're my pick.
We felt really good about that, so we went to the executives. They gave us the approval to move forward with our Yoder.
It is a team approach, not just within our Yoder Construction, but it is also with Smokercraft. They know what they want, they make decisions quickly, so it made it very easy to work with Smokercraft. We got to hear how this building was going to make them more efficient. Right now they were bringing product across the road. The amount of time wasted in travel of material from across the street is now going to be streamlined to where it's all in one building.
Well, this has been really interesting to work with the folks from our Yoder Construction. We weren't really aware of them before we started talking about this new building, and there was just a special connection when they came because most of these buildings have been built by one other person. So our largest building project was put in the hands of what I consider a new group, and that's been an interesting relationship, and those guys have done a fantastic job.
Throughout my career, I've been involved in a lot of building projects, whether it's small remodels, building additions, or complete buildings. And one thing I can say about our Yoder is they have been responsive, probably the most responsive company I've had the pleasure of working for with any building project I've been involved in.
I think our daily interaction with the Smokercraft team really helped make the process smooth. We answered questions ahead of time rather than waiting for the next Monday's meeting.
They added more concrete as we developed the plan. We discovered that they needed more solid surface out there than what they had, and so those were things that they were able to see that need ahead of us and know what it was going to suit them best, and so we were able to talk about those things and get that taken care of ahead of time and work it into the schedule instead of dragging the schedule out.
When we first met with them, they wanted 50,000 square feet of this building as early as possible, and they even said by the end of the year 2021. We were up front with them and told them that was not going to be possible.
And we were building the building, from what I've been told, is they normally build from west to east. And we started on the east end because we wanted to occupy that area first. One of our goals was that partial occupancy. Everybody from our Yoder, they were pretty relentless on making sure that happened.
They appreciated us being up front with them, letting them know it wasn't possible, but that we were going to get it done as quick as we could for them. We were accurate in that, but they were in it in January. And we were all ecstatic, them included, that we were able to get it done that quickly. You got to be able to tell them the truth. As long as they know you're telling them the truth, it means you care enough to be honest with them, whether it's good news or bad news. That's what anybody wants in a relationship. It is a relationship that you have to be able to trust one another. You just got to be upfront and communicate it with them.
This was a 200,000 square foot building that really, as you go through it, we didn't have hardly any real challenges once it was built. Actually, it's the smoothest building construction project we've ever been through for the magnitudes and size.
Smokercraft is a great customer to work with. It's a family-owned company, very much a family atmosphere to work with. Kind of became friends with them over the process of the building.
So what I've enjoyed really is building up some of those personal relationships, friendships, if you will.
You can tell it's a Christian organization. They have done a wonderful job of communicating. I think that's been the key here, top to bottom. They reminded me of us 25 years ago in size and in the way they worked with people.
It is exciting to get a project complete and then see how the customer can use it to expand their business, to grow their profits. They are going to become better at what they do, and you just play a small part in it. It was good to see the forklifts moving. It was good seeing product be brought into the building and knowing that this building is going to last for years to come for Smoker Craft. It was a joy working with Smoker Craft. It really was.
I have nothing but good things to say. I'm willing to talk to anybody about our Yoder Construction.